I don't know.
And maintain physical.
How do we trust they're not just gonna hack this fence?
I don't know. I think they can go all the way up there.
Dude. This is the line though, right?
Yeah. Are they up here? Oh my gosh! Thank you. That's so cool. They're so pretty.
Tiger's a solitary by nature, so he has this area to himself.
He is so pretty. Aww.
Yeah.
I'm like scared.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Kilimanjaro Safari. Before you begin your trip, you should know that the unsafe routes of the Harambe Wildlife Reserve pass through rough and rugged terrain.
Friends on the right, watch your hands, arms, feet, and legs as the doors slide closed.
To ensure a safe and pleasant trip, you should be in good health and free from high blood pressure.
Asante Sana Warden. And as we say here in Harambe, Twinde, that means let's go. Hello friends, my name is Jordan and I'm going to be your safari guide. You can see a saddle build stork kind of standing on the hill just up ahead here. Come around and see if we can get a better look at it as we pass by. That large black and white bird is going to be on the hill to the right there. Now, saddle-billed storks are a very large bird. They can stand up to 5 feet tall and can have up to a 9-foot wingspan. To put that into perspective, when they hold their wings wide open, I've also heard of wildebeest up here, and a giraffe. We'll come around to the other side and get a little closer to that giraffe in just a moment. Now, if you look at the horns of these cattle here, they look like they would be incredibly heavy. There's actually a honeycomb structure that goes all the way throughout the inside of that horn, making it much lighter for them because it is kind of hollow. The only part of that horn that's completely solid is the last couple inches, the very tip of the horn. So a baby giraffe is going to be around the height of an average full-grown person right at birth.
They put the leaves on the tree.
He does not come on that rock very often. Now they're dealing with lions due for pretty much their entire day. Sleep. 16 to 20 hours of a lion's day is going to be spent resting and sleeping.
Aww.
Thank you for visiting us today. Just a few reminders. Face coverings must
The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that.
In the words where you say count that one time, then the line is in the right. Thank you.
Wait, hold on. Is it good?
Yeah.
What is it like?
It's like pineapple.
Don't wait to me.